Namaste friends, I am Sachin Osapkar and I welcome you to this channel Natural Wellbeing Simplified. Today we shall learn about the nutrition not only to recover from the condition of chest congestion but also to prevent frequent relapse. If you are experiencing shortness of breath, persistent cough, green or yellow thick mucus, fever, fatigue, and pain, then you are having chest congestion. So, we shall discuss one important nutrition strategy from natural health sciences which can effectively prevent chest congestion and connected emergency of struggle to take the next breath. So, that important strategy is staying well hydrated. Dehydration means reduction in the amount of essential body fluids which can be harmful and can create a medical emergency. So dehydration causes mucus and secretions in the lungs to thicken up, which makes your chest cavity heavy and difficult to breathe. So if you are consuming food which is consuming more oxygen during the digestive process, the oxygen reserves depletes, which dries up the essential body fluids and can cause inflammation. And our body starts losing the vital functions and can make you go under the panic situation. The list of inflammatory disorders and the number of people getting affected by it and losing functions of the vital organs is rising very rapidly worldwide in the last 2-3 decades. So it is wise to prevent emergencies. And how we can do that? By following 3 things and by avoiding 3 things. So it is advisable to consume 3 food items which are rich with antioxidant properties. Number 1, plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits like oranges, grapefruit, pomegranate, and vegetables like dark leafy greens, avocado, broccoli, cauliflower are rich with antioxidant properties. Then, number 2, consuming unsaturated fats in the form of nuts and seeds. Flaxseed is not only rich with antioxidant properties but is very high with omega-3. Nuts like almond and walnuts is rich with antioxidant properties and is very rich source of healthy fats. And number 3 is increasing vegan protein, which is rich with antioxidant properties like sprouted mung, beans, peas and lentils. Then there are 3 things which you should reduce in order to prevent dehydration. First, reducing the saturated fats in the form of cheese and butter. Second, reducing the animal protein. And third, reducing processed food like sugar, candies, packaged food full of preservatives. So the effective strategy is to consume food which is rich with antioxidant properties and to reduce or avoid food which consumes more oxygen during the digestion. Can we identify if we are dehydrating ourselves with the food? Yes. So here are some prominent symptoms. Number 1, sweating during having meals. Number 2, you feel like having ice cream or cold drink or sweets immediately after consuming the spicy food. Number 3, feeling tired or drained after the meals. Number 4, if you are passing dark colored or strong smelling urine. And number 5, dry eyes, mouth and lips. These are some of the symptoms which we can observe in our daily life. So keeping yourself well hydrated is the key to avoid oxygen depletion, which leads to inflammation and which leads to congestion in the vital organs. So follow this strategy to get complete relief from chest congestion during COVID recovery. So do share this video with your family and friends. Also do subscribe to this channel Natural Wellbeing Simplified and also click on the bell icon to get notification of the next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.